Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A40, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the power saving mode, which should be visible on one of the pages, but if it's not, as I don't see mine, we're going to click right here on these three dots and we're going to select Edit Tiles. And you can see there it is, power saving mode right over here. So click on this plus, it will get added, and now when we go back we should have access to it on one of the pages, and there it is. Okay, now click on it to enable our power saving mode. So that's how you enable it and also add the tile. Once you're done with the power saving mode, you can quickly turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. And with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.